HBQ-350 Cross-Section Analysis Center. It can automatically and intelligently perform functions such as cutting, grinding, corrosion, cleaning, and photographing. Install the terminal to be inspected. Install the fixture. Independent start button. Detect whether the terminal is over long. Detect the width of the terminal. Fully automatic detection of the edge of the cutting disc. Cutting. Detect whether the terminal is cut off. Grinding. Cleaning. Acid corrosion. Washing with water and drying. Autofocus photographing. The cross-section diagram is automatically centered and focused. Automatic analysis. Save. Export the cross-section report. Print.